want a bottle? You got what?
I got shitty. I didn't eat anything but Honey Bunches of Oats. Like
That doesn't absorb alcohol very well.
and that was in the morning. And then we climbed at like 4 or 5. And then we had a beer first and then we ate. So I was all like, I had 2 beers. I had this crazy stout that tasted like s'mores. And then, come on, Jordan. Come on, dude. You got it.
Come on. Yeah, buddy. Read it. Come on. Nice. Yeah,
Come
buddy.
on, dude.
Come on. Read.
You got it. I'm
Read,
right behind
man.
you, dude.
Yeah. Come on.
Push it. Come on, bro. Come on, Jordan.
Come on.
Woo!
Yeah. He's up.
Good job, dude.
Dancing Queen.